Welcome back, middle schoolers. I'm Liana, and I represent Merlin House.
And I'm Nadine, and I represent Barbary House. We're so excited to be back together again, and we're looking forward to a great year ahead.
During this morning's virtual assembly, we'll learn a little bit more about what our new normal will look like. Lots of little things have changed to make our school safe, but the big things will stay the same. Awesome, caring teachers, a warm, supportive community, and learning experiences that are inspiring, relevant, and fun.
First, let's check out a clip from the ASD reopening video that highlights some of the changes.
Hello, I'm Dr. Paul Richards, Superintendent of the American School of Dubai, and I'm so happy to welcome you back to this new school year, and so happy to be doing it here on ASD's campus. You'll notice some changes around the ASD campus, its infrastructure, and some of our procedures, but the ASD experience is still the same. We are committed to that. Our reopening guide is based on 5 guiding principles. Stay true to ASD's mission. Prefer face-to-face learning whenever possible. Make sure health and safety is our #1 priority above all other considerations. Make sure our approaches are research-based and legal. And build a culture of health and safety to reduce the transmission of the virus.
Hi, I'm Dr. Amema Ataya, ASD school physician.
And I'm Lori Reardon, one of the ASD school nurses.
We are so excited to welcome all our ASD families back onto campus in September. But before we do, we want to make sure that you're all well aware of all the health and safety guidelines we expect everyone to follow. Number 1, the process starts in the morning when your child wakes up. We would like you to run through the symptom screening checklist, which includes symptoms such as fever, body aches, chills, sore throat, diarrhea, cough, or shortness of breath.
Number 2 is physical distancing of 1.5 to 2 meters and reducing classroom density.
Number 3 is cleaning, disinfecting, and sanitization.
And number 4 is communication, training, and coordination.
In case a student or staff member becomes sick while on campus, they will be sent directly to the health office, where we will triage the patient and decide whether or not they are exhibiting any symptoms of possible COVID-19. If they are, they will go into our isolation room and be treated according to the KHDA and DHA guidelines. The health office team is committed to providing top-level care to all of our community members. We hope that you find us a source of guidance and valuable health information.
We look forward to welcoming you back in September for a safe and healthy school year.
Hello everyone, my name is Steve Jones and I'm the Director of Facilities and Operations at the American School of Dubai. So KHD have mandated that there is a maximum of 50% ridership on the school buses. Student temperatures will be checked before they enter the bus. The buses will be sanitized again before and after every use. All students, grade 3 and above, can access campus themselves. Students grade 2 and below will be permitted 1 adult to take them to the thermal cameras, who after that must directly leave campus. When students leave the bus, they will go directly to the field house and they will pass the thermal cameras for their temperature check. Those cameras will be in designated air-conditioned spaces so we can control temperature and get accurate readings. The changes to our access are in line with KHDA requirements. This is to minimize numbers of people on campus and to maximize social distancing. For the safety of everyone on campus, we require you to submit your medical update travel declaration. This is required for everyone who's traveled outside the UAE and stayed inside the UAE. There will be changes to our food services this year. The biggest of those changes will be no access to the school cafeterias. Students will have the option this year to either pre-order food online or bring their own food onto campus. Meals will be eaten inside the classroom, and any pre-ordered meals will be delivered by ASD staff. Additionally, KHDA have mandated that no water dispensers are allowed on campus, so you must bring your own water supply. These classrooms will be sanitized before and after food services. Of all the roles and responsibilities of the Facilities and Operations Department, safety is by far our most important. A lot of work has gone in this year to put systems in place, to put additional resources in place, additional equipment in place to make this campus as safe as possible for you and your family.
Obviously, a lot of thought has gone into reopening safely. Special thanks to Fatty the Falcon for showing us how to do school in 2020. Next up, let's hear from our new MS principal, Michelle Gruber, who's excited to join the Falcon family.
Hello, ASD Middle School. It is so wonderful to see all of you this morning. I am Miss Gruber, the new middle school principal here at the American School of Dubai. I am just so excited to welcome you to the 2020-2021 school year. We know this is an interesting year to be starting school, and we are so glad that you're here. We look forward to working with you on campus and also when you're at home this year, and just wanted to give you a super warm welcome, and I am so excited to see you in the halls and see you around campus. So welcome, and it's going to be a great year. We're so glad you're here.
Thanks, Ms. Gruber. We're looking forward to welcoming you to ASD and to the middle school. Next, a couple of grade 8 students volunteered to review the ins and outs of our revised student expectations for social distancing in student language. Let's check out what Daniel and Michael put together for us.
Hi, I'm Daniel Walsh.
And I'm Michael Kremers.
And we're going to show you how to stay safe in ASD.
Now I'm going to be telling you about face masks and hygiene. Masks should be worn properly, as I'm doing right now, at all times except for 3 scenarios. When eating or drinking, when you're outside and 2 meters away from another person, or during rigorous PE activity. Students are asked to carry their own hand sanitizer and wash their hands for at least 20 seconds regularly during the day. Students may be asked to assist with sanitization of their desk, borrowed materials, and the classroom to keep our learning environment safe for anyone. Here, what I'm about to show you is an example of what not to do. Okay. Hey, why are you on a Segway? Now the eating and drinking part of lunchtime. During lunchtime, students can lower their mask, as I'm doing right now, to eat and drink. In some cases, teachers may also allow a snack during class. This is left to the discretion of the teacher and depends on the nature of the learning activities in that class, the classroom environment, and teacher preference.
When students arrive on campus, they will be directed to the temperature check station. After they completing the temperature check, they're to report directly to their first block classroom. If he or she is early, they can read, socialize, or prepare for the day quietly. At 2:45 p.m., the final bell will ring. Students being immediately picked up may proceed to their pickup gate. Students who need to wait for a sibling or travel on the school bus should wait in their last block classroom until 3:10 p.m. No student is allowed on campus before 7:45 p.m. Every student should leave campus by 3:40 or 3:15. Thank you.
Sustainability. Here are a few ideas you might consider for the safe return while minimizing unintended environmental consequences. Bring large reusable water bottles or more to last the entire day. If bringing your own food, please use recyclable cutlery, plates, boxes, etc. that can be returned and cleaned at home. Use a reusable mask and an extra one in an extra bag just in case. Avoid single-use items whenever possible. Plan or pack with a no waste to landfill mindset. For example, bags, stationery, etc. Visit the sustainability best practices page for further information.
We're going to end the assembly with something we can all participate in. Last year, our chamber choir did an amazing rendition of the ASD alma mater, our school song. While we can't sing along as we normally do because singing requires more space than our normal classrooms allow, we invite you to hum together softly as we play the song and usher in a new school year.
the American School of Dubai. Our hearts strong and true as we stand for the right, learn lessons for life that inspire and delight, our values so deep for a future so bright, the American School of Dubai. The American School of Dubai.
Thanks for joining us today, and welcome back. We're looking forward to an amazing year ahead. Although we'll be making some sacrifices, it's just great to be in the same building again.
To our new students and 6th graders, welcome to the Falcon family. If you're lost, you won't be alone. Don't hesitate to ask your teachers, counselor, Falcon ambassadors, or anyone else in our community any questions you might have. If we don't know the answer, we'll figure it out together. Have a great day, Falcons.